So I got onto the Wangan. We are about to cross the Yokohama Bay Bridge. You can see it coming up right now. It actually looks gorgeous when you're looking at it from like Akarenga or Osanbashi or Minato Mirai up there in Yokohama. When it's lit up at night, it's quite nice. What's interesting here is that you should be seeing right after the bridge is the exit for the Daikoku parking area, which basically means when I get on the highway, I have a 2-minute drive, less than 2 minutes, and I get off at Daikoku Pie if I want to go. I think the parking area is like 15 minutes from home. So whenever I feel like it, just go out there and see the rolling car show right in front of your eyes. Fun stuff. There you go. You can see the signs right now for the exit right after the bridge when you're heading towards Tokyo. And we're on our way to Tatsumi parking area. The whole trip is about maybe 25 minutes, maybe a little longer, but we'll speed up the video in the middle to make it go a little faster in some of the industrial areas and where the highways is straight and the fellow cars are, more normal. And there are two bridges actually on the way. After the Yokohama Bay Bridge, here we're coming on the next one. This one's called Tsurumi Tsubasa Bridge. A little different, but also very interesting from a visual kind of sense. So here we are crossing that bridge. So, in reality, initially in Yokohama there are two bridges. Later on we're going to take tunnels under the water because this is all the port of Yokohama, rolls into the port of Kawasaki, and then I guess you could say Tokyo too, or Haneda. So there's a lot of tunnels under the waterways. But here's the Tsurumi Tsubasa Bridge. And we are crossing it right now. So just for all of you out there, no, I am not going 500 kilometers per hour at breakneck speeds. It's just a fast forward. So don't try this at home. You shouldn't be driving 500 kilometers per hour on a highway. Well, what am I saying? Don't try this at home. Don't try this on the highway. 500 kilometers per hour is not a good speed on a highway. So we are approaching Haneda Airport. Right now we're going to go under one of the tunnels that the airplanes actually go over, and we're going to emerge onto the area where in between runways you have Haneda Airport with the towers. You can see the control towers and all the different buses going from between all the terminals and garages and etc. So we are in Tokyo now, and this will continue until the next tunnel, which is gonna happen in a second. And quite often, but not now, not in this video, you can see actually airplanes going on top of you, and that's kind of cool, knowing that such a huge beast is gonna roll right all over you. But it's fun. So just wait, there's gonna be one more tunnel, and then we're out of Haneda after the tunnel. It's always fun to come to Tatsumi. You're always met with all sorts of fun cars and you never know what you'll find. So let's see what we got here. Okay, Porsche, of course. A Ferrari, another Ferrari. What do we got? Oh, an M3 and another Ferrari. Some more Beamers. Oh, there was a GTR there. Benz's. Whoa, more Porsches. But did you see that Benz? We're obviously gonna take a look. And there's police. You know, in this large area, it's actually truck stop, and sometimes people actually park here when they shouldn't. So police is keeping an eye on people trying to park in truck spaces. But hey, let's take a look around. That was a nice. I think it was a 280 SL. Mercedes-Benz, but looks like the Germans are represented quite well. Oh, there was also an R8, I think, if my memory serves me well. So let's see. Yeah, Porsches, and yep, R8. And look at that Mercedes 280 SL, or maybe 230 SL. What a gorgeous car. Thank you for watching.